Hi. Welcome back to Igbo Lovers TV, Lesson 2. Ndinkem. Ndinkem means my people. So I'll be using Ndinkem more often. Anytime you hear Ndinkem, just know that I'm saying my people. Ndinkem. So guys, we are going to be counting 1, 2, 3 to billion. We're going to count 1, 2, 3 to billion. Igbo people, they love counting. They love money so much. The Igbos can testify. The Igbos watching this video. Am I lying? So they can count. So that is why we're going to be counting 1, 2, 3 to billion. Now, you have to note down something. If you could count 1 to 10 very well, then you have the rest. You can now count the rest of other numbers. So let's go. Let's kick off. 1 is otu. 2 abua. 3 ato. 4 ano. 5 ise. 6 isi. 7 asa. 8 asato. 9 itolu. 10 iri. Now let's go again. 1 is otu. 2 is abua. 3 is ato. 4 is ano. 5 is ise. 6 is isi. 7 asa. 8 asato. 9 itolu. 10 iri. So yes, 10 is iri. Now what is 11? Iri na otu. That is 11. Iri na otu. Remember, 10 is iri, na is and then otu is 1. Remember, iri na otu, 10 and 1, that is 11. Iri na otu. 12 iri na abua. Iri na ato. 13 iri na ano. 14 iri na ise. 15 iri na isi. 16 iri na asa. 17 iri na asato. 18 iri na itolu. 19. Now what is 20? Can someone guess? 20. Iri abua. Remember, 10 is iri. Now the 2 iris is iri abua. 2 is abua. Now iri abua. Now 21 is iri abua n'otu. Iri abua na otu. 22 iri abua na abua. 23 iri abua na ato. 24 iri abua na ano. 25 iri abua na ise. 26 iri abua na isi. 27 iri abua na asa. 28 iri abua na asato. 29 iri abua na itolu. Now 30 is what? Iri ato. That's the 3 iris. Iri ato. 3 is ato. So iri ato. Now you start counting from 31 down. Okay, you follow the process. You follow the way you count the other one and then count this one. Okay, now iri ano is 40. Iri ise is 50. Iri isi is 60. Iri asa is 70. Iri asato, 80. Iri itolu, 90. Now what is 100? 100. Otu nari or nari. Nari. So when you get to 100, it changes to nari. And then you start counting. Nari na otu. That is 101. Nari na abua. Nari na ato. Nari na ano. Nari na ise. Nari na isi. Nari na asa. Nari na asato. Nari na itolu. Nari na iri. That is 110. Now when you get to 110, you start counting from 111, just like you counted from 11 to 20. So you start counting from 111 to 120. Now 200 is nari abua. 300 nari ato. 400 nari ano. 500 nari ise. 600 nari isi. 700 nari asa. 800 nari asato. 900 nari itolu. Now what is 1000? 1000. Puku. Puku. 1000 is puku. Okay? Then you start counting down. Now 2000 is puku abua. 3000 puku ato. 4000 puku ano. 5000 puku ise. 6000 puku isi. 7000 puku asa. 8000 puku asato. 9000 puku itolu. Then 10,000 puku iri. Puku iri. Now what is 100,000? Puku nari. Puku nari. 200,000 puku nari abua. 300,000 puku nari ato. 400,000 puku nari ano. 500,000 puku nari ise. 600,000 puku nari isi. 700,000 puku nari asa. 800,000 puku nari asato. 900,000 puku nari itolu. Then what is 1 million? Nde. Nde. Or otu nde. Nde. It sounded like nde. Huge money. Nde. Then 1 billion is ijeri. Ijeri. Huge money. Sounded like so much money. Ijeri. Remember, 1 is otu. So you can always add it up. Otunari. So that is it, guys. That is how to count 1, 2, 3 to billion. Once you could count 1 to 10, like I said before, then you have the rest. You can now count the rest of other numbers very, very well. Only that when it gets to 100, it changes to nari. When it gets to 1000, it changes to puku. When it gets to million, it changes to nde. When it gets to billion, it changes to ijeri. So that is it, guys. Now let's do addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction. Addition is mbakonye. Mbakonye. That is what it's called. Then subtraction is nwopu. Nwopu. Mbakonye. Nwopu. Mbakonye. Nwopu. Okay, so I'm going to be giving assignments. So let's do small example before I give the assignment. The assignment I'm going to give, the first 3 persons to get it correctly will get a prize from me. Now, the mathematics. Example 1. Iri Wakonye Iri ato. Remember, Iri is 10. Wakonye plus Iri ato. Iri ato is 30. Remember, that's the 3 Iris. Iri into 3. Remember, ato is 3. So that is Iri ato. Iri Wakonye Iri ato equals to Iri ano, which is 40. Now, example 2. Iri ano mwepu iri. Can someone guess? Guess? Iri ano mwepu iri equals to iri ato. That is 30. Now, the assignment I'm giving, are you ready? Ready? Okay, so iri ano mwepu iri abụọ. Iri ano mwepu iri abụọ. So you can write the answer in the comment section. Once I see it, the first 3 persons to get it correctly will get a prize. Yes, once I see it and you are correct, I will tick it check mark. And then once I tick it check mark, send a mail to my email address. The email address will be in the description box. Okay, send a mail there and then you get the prize from me. But guys, that these 3 persons are correct doesn't mean you shouldn't put down your own. Who knows? You might be lucky with your own. You might be correct. Okay? So, thank you so much, guys. My name is Onyi or Onyinye Chukwu, which simply means God's gifts. Onyi means gift. So, anyone you want to call me, I'll boldly and proudly answer. Thank you so much for joining. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video to your friends so they can also join and learn Igbo language. Don't also forget to subscribe to my second channel. The link is in the description box, or you can search for Onyi Cindy, ONYI space CINDY. Subscribe, like, and follow me on that channel as well. Thank you so much and see you in my next video. Bye.